Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I've brought in a very interesting airdrop, a project which is backed by NEAR protocol, a very strong project. I've just gone through their tokenomics, their total supply, and some of the most important details that you need to know. It's possibly one of those airdrops you do not want to miss. It's very simple to do, but you need to have a Twitter account. You need to have an X account to participate in this particular airdrop. So I want to guide you step by step on how you participate in this airdrop, because the participation period is only 25 days from the time I'm actually doing this video. So make sure you do not miss, because this could be a very potential token. Okay, so the project itself is called NEAR Mobile Token. That is the token we are getting. It is being backed by NEAR protocol. So I'll be showing you the tokenomics, the total supply, but then the most important thing right now is guiding you through how do you register, what do you need to do to be eligible for this particular airdrop. So make sure you completely watch the video till the end so that you do not miss any update. So the first thing you are going to do, just check in our Telegram channel and also on the description of the video, or rather the first pinned comment, you will get the link to download the application from the Google Play Store. If you're using the App Store, I think you might consider going to the App Store to download directly. But if you are using an Android, you just get the link, click on it, is going to direct you to the Google Play Store, and then you download the application. So step number 2, still on the description, you're going to copy the invitation code. You will see the invitation code. I think it's a five figure word. It's a mixture of numbers and letters. Okay, so you copy the invitation code. Actually, the invitation code looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. You can see here Y37ZIJ. So it looks like this. So you copy this invitation code. So once you have copied it, remember by this time already you have downloaded the application. Okay, so once you download the application, you are going to create account. You will get the option of creating a new account. So as you create a new account, at the far end, you are going to get the option where you will be asked to paste the referral code. Okay, you will be pasting that referral code, and then you enter your details, your name, password, and everything that is required. And then at some point you are also going to enter your nickname, if you so wish, username that is, and then you are going to be logged in. So once you have been logged in successfully and you have entered the referral code, you will be given an option of either creating a new wallet or importing an existing wallet. So you can decide to create a new wallet, and remember to save all the secret phrases, the 12-word secret phrases, on a piece of paper. So or if you already have a wallet and you have secret phrases like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and you do not want to create another wallet, you can actually get those phrases, click on import, enter those phrases, and then import your wallet successfully. But creating is actually a better idea, because I tried personally importing and it gave me some problems. So if you can create, the better. So if you create, at some point you might actually be given an error message. When I was registering, I encountered this. I saw something like this. When you are registering, if you get such an error, you can actually wait for this timer to count up to 0, and then you retry, and then you enter those details afresh. Okay, I personally encountered this when I was registering, so I had to repeat. So in case you face this, just repeat the process and it's going to be completed successfully. Enter your nickname, paste the referral code, and if you're creating a new wallet, at the end you're going to be given the secret phrases, so remember to write them down and save them successfully. Okay, so once you have done all that, so the next thing you should do is this. So now this is what you should do after you have, and of course, remember at the end, you are also going to be creating a 4-digit PIN, okay? The one you will be using to unlock your account. So this is the interface in front of you once you log in. So now what you need to do, you click on NPRO, that is NPRO, that is the near mobile section. So they are actually distributing 100,000 tokens, okay? They are distributing the first 100,000 tokens, and these are the tokens that are going to be available at TGE, okay? So now what do you need to do to be eligible for this airdrop? So this is what you have to do. Task number 1, and this is mandatory, you have to follow them on their Twitter. So how do you do that? You click on click follow. Just come and click follow. They are going to direct you to the mobile, then click on follow, okay? So once you are followed, you now need to submit your Twitter handle to receive the reward. And by the way, how do you receive the how do you copy the your Twitter handle? Just come open your Twitter, click on the profile at the top left, and then click on profile, okay? You're going to see your username is this one. This one you see here, this one, okay? This is your nickname or your Twitter username. This is what you submit to get the reward, okay? So what we do here, we come and submit, enter your username, and you have to start with @ okay? So I'm going to be entering my username like that, and then do not space at the end, then click on verify, okay? So as you click on verify, make sure you have already followed them, because if you do not do that, you're not going to be getting the reward. So we are verifying your follow, okay? So once they verify, you are going to be getting 5 points. So the next thing you should do now is quote the post. So you have to click on quote. So there is this post here. There is this post. Let me just get to it once again. You click on this quote, okay? And then you post, okay? You click on post. So once you have posted, this is what you should do next. Let me just get something here. Let me check something here. Yes. So I click on post, for example, like I have posted right now. Then your post has been sent. So I can click on it, or alternatively, I can just go to my profile like this, click on profile, and then I'll see my latest post. You can see whatever I've just quoted is this one. So for me now to provide the link to the quote, I have to come to the end of this tweet I've done. You can see now the share button is right here. You can actually see it at the end down here. So what I do, you come and click on this share, and then click on copy. So once you click on copy, come and paste that link here, okay? That URL. Yes, you post like that, you click on verify. So they are going to be verifying, and once they verify, they are going to be crediting 5 points. So now, if you so wish, you can also refer. You click on invite, you're going to get the invitation code. You can actually ask your people to follow this particular guide to register successfully. So what is going to be happening is, this airdrop is running for only 25 days. As you can see here, it's ending in 25 days. And how this works is, these points you are collecting is what will determine how many tokens you're going to be getting out of the 100,000 tokens they are going to be distributing at the end of the period, okay? So the airdrop closes on September 15, but they are going to be distributing these tokens on December 15. That is when the token is going to be trading on exchanges. So something else probably you could be paying attention to, they could be adding some tasks here in the coming days. So pay attention to that. If they add any task, just do the task, get the points. The more points you get, the more airdrop you will be getting. Okay, so I'll be giving you more information in regards to this airdrop. But something else I think I should let you know at this particular point is the total airdrop, the total supply rather for this particular token is actually 10 million. They have only 10 million tokens to spare, and then they are only giving 1 million tokens to the community plus marketing. And out of that 1 million, they are now distributing the first 100,000. The 1 million is going to be distributed within a period of, I think, 5 years plus. So that means the tokens which are going to be circulating at TGE could probably be 200,000 or something thereabout. It's actually a small number of tokens which are going to be available at TGE, because a big percentage of the tokens are actually going to be available for staking. Okay, they are going to be available for staking, and we have also about 10% for liquidity. So this is something you really do not want to miss, because giving out 100,000 out of a possible less than 200,000 tokens which are going to be circulating at TGE could actually be a good deal. And looking at the supply, that means the listing price could also be very interesting. So it's a project I'm actually paying attention to, so you can start right now, do all the tasks, and pay attention to our Telegram channel, so that you can actually get the subsequent updates in regards to this particular airdrop. Thank you. See you in the next video.